Yes, hello viewers. Thank you so much for watching our tutorials. Sharif, your IT expert from KM University. And in today's tutorial, we're going to see how someone is able to solve this kind of error. I know in most courses, you have experienced it, but maybe you didn't find the solution on how to solve it. So how does it happen? You may have a website, a company website. You wake up one day, then you find all of a sudden it is displaying this kind of error establishing a database. So in today's tutorial, let us see how someone is able to solve this problem in WordPress. So first and foremost, since our website is online, the first procedure or the first step, we're going to log into our cPanel. So this is my website. It is called showbilugandatours.com. So how do I access my cPanel? cPanel, in other words, it is the control panel for your website. So you put in the domain name, then you slash with cPanel, then you press enter. When you press enter, it's going to redirect us to a new interface. So here you have to log in using your username and the password. So this is my username and this is my password. So after I click login, so when you click login, after entering in the credentials of your website, you go to my SQL database. So we have logged into our cPanel, and for those who have just followed, with the cPanel, it's where we control our website files. So I'm not going to look at that site for now. Let me go to my folder or section for databases. Under the section of databases, I go to MySQL databases. So here, step 5, you have to find, step 4, you find your database and associated user. So when I click on my SQL databases, I want to see the database name for my website. My database name here, it is Shubil Uganda 8. So when I scroll down, my user still having the same name, Shubil Uganda 8. Then the password, the username, the user has got a password. So step 5, you go to File Manager, Public HTML, then you look for a folder, your WordPress folder, then you look for a file called the WP config file. So this is what I'm trying to mean. Let me first go one step back. After getting my database name, the username, I go to File Manager. It's under the section of Files. I click on File Manager. Under File Manager, I go to Public HTML. Under Public HTML, these are my website files. So I have to go to a file called wp-config.php. Then I right click on it. I click on edit. So in this file, wp-config.php, it is the one that has my database name, the username, and the password. So I'm going to check to see whether the database name, the user are the ones matching with my SQL database. So database name is Shubil Uganda 8. Seeing here my database name is Shubil Uganda 8. Then username, I think we can all see my username is Shubil Uganda 8. Then if I go here, it still should be Uganda 8. But why am I still having error establishing database? Could it be the password? So members, what we're going to do, let us try to change the password. Here we have my users, current users, should be Uganda 8. Then I'm going to change the password. Then already my username should be Uganda 8. So I click on password generator. The reason why I'm using password generator, because with password generator, it has got higher security features. So it's what I'm going to use. I copy my new password. I have copied, then use password, then change password. I'm changing the password of my user who is accessing the what? The database. So I go to wp-config.php file, database password. I come here, I paste in my new password, then I save the changes. They're asking me, are you sure you want to save the changes? The file will be overwritten. What they are trying to mean, that my new password or the password I've just pasted, it's going to overwrite the existing password. So it's what I want. I press OK. When I press OK, I have to go ahead and what? And I save. It has been saved automatically. So when I go back to my website and I refresh, look what happens. Wow, a nice website. It is displayed. So members, this is how someone is able to solve this problem of error establishing a database connection in WordPress. I hope this tutorial has been of help to you. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. God bless you.